Good morning, students. Today we will discuss new chapter name Basic Geometrical Ideas, in which today we will discuss line segment, line, and ray. First we have to discuss first point, plane. What is meant by plane? Plane is a flat surface which extend infinitely in all direction. It has no boundary. Again, I'll explain. Suppose this is your notebook. Okay, you can extend this notebook up to infinity on it on that side. You can extend this toward the that side. Here also, here also. Like that, you can extend anywhere. This is one kind of a plane. Means plane is a flat surface which can extend infinitely. Means you can increase that one to any direction. This is called as a plane. Means our board is also a plane. Our notebook is also a plane. These are the some examples of the plane. I hope you understand. Now we are moving toward the next point, line segment, and everyone know that from the fourth standard what is meant by the line segment, but we have to still discuss this part one more time. Line segment. A line segment is a portion of a line or a straight path from A to B is called as a line segment. Suppose this is your line L, okay, and this is the straight path. Means this is increasing to up to infinity, this is also increasing up to infinity. This arrow shows that. Now this point A and B, this part or this portion, just see this line segment is a portion. This is the portion A to B, or straight path from A to B is called as a line. Means this part to this part is called as a line segment if these notations are shown in a figure. A and B are the two endpoints of a segment AB. Means AB are the two endpoints of the line segment, and this is called as a line segment AB. There is a unique line segment joining the 2 points A and B. It is denoted by AB, and it is these 2 points are joined by the line L, and this is called as a line segment AB. Now some remarks or some point or some notes we have to remember or we have to keep in our mind. This is very much important to understand what is line segment. First remark, a line segment has a two endpoints. A line has a none. Means this is the line segment, and line segment shows the two endpoint A and B. But if I want to show this line, I've never explained or never show this A and B. But if I want to show to line segment, I must have to show this endpoint AB. Okay, I hope you understand. There is no difference between a line segment AB and a line segment BA. Means if I'm reading this line segment AB or I'm reading this line segment BA, there is no difference. Okay, I hope you understand. Means you can read this line segment from the both end, AB or line segment AB or line segment BA. Line segment is completely known if its endpoints are known. Means if endpoints are known, then we can say that this is the line segment. If there is one of the missing, you cannot represent that line segment A. For that purpose, we have to show these two endpoints. Sometimes simply we use word line segment for a segment for the line segment. Means just simply I'm using segment AB also. Means this can be a represent line segment AB. Sometime I hope you understand, because sometime we don't use the line segment, that big word, just using the segment AB, and that shows that it is the line segment. For example, the line segment AB is simply written as a segment AB. Means if you observe this line segment AB, if I want to write this on the notebook or anywhere, just I am writing segment AB, or simply I am writing SEG seg AB, means segment AB. I hope you understand this part. Now we are moving toward the exercise question, very much important, or this is very much important for you. If you understand this part, then you can solve this part easily. Use the figure to name, means this is the figure given to you, and there are three questions. We have to write the 5 points. You can observe there are some points, means D, E, O, B and C. These are the 5 points. We have to write 5 points. Just simply write O, comma B, comma C, and D and E are the 5 points. You can write simply. You can write. Now 4 rays. Now everyone know that 4 rays. This part to this part. This is the 4 rays. O to B. This is also one kind of ray. O to B. Then again you can write just here D, E, just D and E. This is one kind of ray. Then DO, this is also ray. This is DB, this is DB also ray. This EB also a ray. Means you can represent the ray using the such type of notation. And if you want to show the ray, you just using the arrow, one-sided arrow, to represent the ray. Okay, I'll explain that one again in next video also. Don't worry about that. Just you have to keep in your mind 5 points and ray how to represent. I hope you understand. If you don't understand right now, again you will explain, or you can understand in next video also. Don't worry about that. 5-line segment. Now we have to show that 5-line segment. Line segment, everyone know that line segment has a 2 endpoint. Now I am writing DE. Now just see, this is one endpoint, and this, suppose this is your line whole. Okay, D and A are your endpoint. DE is your DO. Then you can write DB. Here I am DB, or OB, EB. But I'm writing just only draw a line. That line, only line, it does not shows any arrow on both side or single side. That means it's a segment. Means DE is a segment, DO is a segment, OB, this OB is a segment, EO is also segment, etc. We can represent. I hope you understand all the concept, and you can write down. Now next question, name the line given in all possible ways. Choose only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Means you have to write the name of the line. This is your line. Okay, and you have to represent the line. And everyone know that if you want to represent the line, then you have to use the only 2 words. This AB, this AC, this AD. Then you can write BD, BC, CA. Like you can represent such a line, or the possible lines are, you can represent like this. This is what I hope you understand. You have to write down in your notebook and send on WhatsApp. Okay, if you are getting any kind of a doubt in your mind, you just call me. I hope you understand.